Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the skincare products that I use and all cost under 5000 rupees. I have written everything here. I am मतलब जो भी मैं स्किन केयर यूज़ करती हूँ और उसमें टोनर, फेस वॉश, everything will sum up. So first thing first, what I use in my AM as well as PM routine is this cleansing oil, which is from Conscious Chemist, and I have already emptied a bottle. And you can see that this is already going to be emptied. I have used Korean
cleansing oil, Anua, Beauty of Jasan. I have used everything, but similar ही work करता है.
There's no that much of difference that I can actually think of. Face wash I use simple, very moisturizing, and I would say you can blindly go ahead with this. This will cost I think 405, and this comes
In a lot of variants, but this. And
the other one is this one. The next step is toner. For toner, I use this Tony Moly ka Wonder Hyaluronic Toner. So the thing is that it says Wonder Hyaluronic Acid Choke Toner. So I have used इसका rice toner as well and this one as well. Rice toner का मैंने 2 bottle like 2 साल पहले ऑलरेडी मैं ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ, बट ये वाला आई हैव रिसेंटली स्टार्टेड इट एज इट हैज़ हाइलोरॉनिक एसिड. दिस इज समथिंग ऑफ अ एक्सपेंसिव साइड, बट वी आर नॉट लीविंग आर 5000 ब्रैकेट, सो इट वुड बी अराउंड 1395 to 1400. एंड अगर आप मिंत्रा से लेंगे तो और सस्ता भी पड़ सकता है कई बार, क्योंकि मिंत्रा पे सेल पे स्किन केयर आर वेरी चीप. फॉर सीरम आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर one of my serum that I'm using since July 2025, and it's been a game changer for me. This is Cosrx 6 peptide serum. So the story is that it came as a freebie to me when I shopped on Nykaa. So मुझे मार्क करके आया कि there will be a freebie delivered to you. एक बार पहले एक टम्बलर आ चुका था, सिपर आ चुका था. आई थॉट दैट वुड बी इट. आई हैव नॉट इन्वेस्टेड एनी मनी ऑन दिस ऑन अराउंड जुलाई 2025, बट मैंने इसको यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया. एंड आफ्टर फ्यू डेज और मंथ्स आई स्टार्टेड सीइंग चेंजेस इन माई स्किन. सो इसको थोड़ा सा लेना होता है, आपको स्किन पे लगाना होता है, एंड जस्ट लेट इट ड्राई. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट, I have used it completely. You can see there is nothing in this bottle, but this is full bottle. सो एक और बॉटल थी जो मैंने यूज़ करी थी, तो लाइक जुलाई से लेके अभी तक 3 बॉटल्स ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ मैं. एंड इट वर्क्स वंडर फॉर योर स्किन. इट इज़ अ बोटॉक्स इन अ बॉटल, पीपल से. सो go for it. The MRP of this Cosrx serum is 2050, but I know it is bit of expensive side. But what you can do, जब भी नायका पे सेल आता है, it gets to 1800, 1600. लास्ट ये फर्स्ट ये जो नेक्स्ट सेकेंड बॉटल है, आई हैव परचेज्ड इट इनटू 1645. So I think this is a good purchase. It will last you like for 6th month or 5th month, I think. I use it a lot, that's why it got emptied very quickly. Then I realized that you don't have to use that much, you have to take this much. So thank you Nykaa for sending that to me, and I get to know about this product because this is nowhere on the internet and it works magic. The next step is moisturizer, and right now it is quite summery here in Bangalore and everywhere in India, I think so. So you should be using a gel based moisturizer right now. If you don't have a for dry skin and oily skin also, both you can use that gels. So I have extremely dry skin, but I use this, recently started using this Wishcare serum, that is NMF water gel moisturizer, which is oil free. इसका cost है 350 rupees, which is very good, like very inexpensive or very budget friendly. It will look like something like this, and when you actually apply it, it will be like this. You can see, like after applying this only you will get a lot of glow on your skin. See? And the next alternative that you can use is this Foxtail oil balancing moisturizer. This is also very good. I have used like 3 bottles of it and it is good. So it has like cute little pink droplets in it, and it works perfectly with on your skin if you have a dry to combination skin. And empty. moving to the last step of skincare is sunscreen. So for that I have an option. I don't have that here. I have been using it for 2 to 3 years, I would say, but those who know me knows that I use that sunscreen a lot. That is Wishcare niacinamide sunscreen, which is smooth like milk. I would say it is quite runny and you can use it, and it will cost you around 400 and sometime around 380 or something like that whenever sale is going on. So that is also like the best one. Currently I've been using this Biore, whatever you call it, UV sunscreen, which I bought from Japan, but like it was cheaper there, that's why I bought it. I will think like a lot of time to buy it here. So I have like 6 of these that I bought. I will use those, and when I end up those, then I will switch back to Wishcare, I would say. But this is also very good. It's creamy, it's little bit thick, but it Japan ने बनाया है, कुछ सोच समझ के अच्छा ही बनाया होगा. So now if I sum up the MRP of all this product, it is coming to, drumroll, 4975. 4975, 25 rupees less in 5000 rupees. I think it is a good deal and you can go ahead with this. If you want to go for the Korean products, you can go. I have used those, and I think some of our Indian products are also very good. Just an additional or bonus product that I want to tell you is this one. This is the Face Shop lip balm. So the thing is that I have used Laneige, I have used Indie-Wild, I have used everything, but I stuck to this because it actually gives you a cooling sensation when you apply this, and believe me, it feels very good whenever you are like getting ready and you have applied it first as a first step, and then it will actually tingle and you will feel very hydrated and cool, especially during this summer season. So you can go ahead with this one as well. I think it cost around 300-400. So that's all I had for today. I will be back with a new video, and please share, like, subscribe and wait for the new one. Bye.